To fix something went wrong and your PIN isn't available in Windows 11, once you'll be on this screen, simply click on I forgot my PIN. If you have a passkey, then simply connect the USB and you can able to log into your Microsoft account. I don't have that one, so I'm gonna use a different way. Let me select recovery email. Let me really quick type that in. After typing your verification email address, click on send code. You will receive a code in your verification email address. Simply type that in and make sure your number lock is on. After typing the code, click on sign in, then click on continue. Then type your new PIN. You already know that you can include letter and symbols as well. If you like to go with that, you can do that. If you don't want to go with that, simply type the numbers in here, then click on OK. Alright, here you can see we are logged in to our account. Sometimes this kind of problem happens. You can try restarting your computer as well if you can't do the reset thing. I hope this will help you out to fix your problem. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.